Want the most glorious plants you've ever grown? The secret isn't in a bottle. It's right in your kitchen. Earthworms are the true heroes of any garden, tirelessly working beneath our feet. They tunnel through soil, creating channels for air and water, and transform poor dirt into rich, crumbly earth. Their castings are pure gold for your plants, packed with nutrients and moisture-retaining power. If you want healthier plants and bigger harvests, focus on attracting more earthworms. Many gardeners know worms are important, but how do you get more of them? Compost helps, but there's a faster way, using a common kitchen waste you'd usually toss. This simple trick can supercharge your soil's worm population and set the stage for incredible growth. Let's give worms exactly what they want, right where you need them most. The magical ingredient? Banana peels. For worms, a decomposing banana peel is a 5-star meal, rich in potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium. Unlike compost, banana peels break down fast, releasing sugars and nutrients that attract worms almost instantly. Burying banana peels is like ringing a dinner bell for worms, jump-starting your soil's ecosystem. The result? Intense biological activity, right where your plants need it most. Banana peels don't replace compost. They complement it, giving you a fast-acting boost. Try it, and you'll see a visible difference in your plant's vigor within weeks. Here's how to use banana peels in your garden. First method. Chop peels into small pieces and bury them 4 to 6 inches deep near your plants. Worms will flock to these buried treats, aerating and enriching the soil right at the roots. This is perfect for heavy feeders like roses, tomatoes, and peppers. Second method. Make banana peel tea. Soak peels in water for a few days, then dilute and use the liquid to water your plants. This gives container plants a quick nutrient boost without disturbing roots. Both methods are simple, effective, and flexible. Choose what works best for your garden. Bury peels for worm activity and soil structure. Use tea for fast nutrition. Rotate or combine these tricks for thriving, resilient plants. It's all about working with nature, not against it. Take it up a notch by combining banana peels with mulch. After burying chopped peels, cover the area with a thick layer of organic mulch, wood chips, straw, or leaves. Mulch keeps soil moist and cool, creating the perfect habitat for worms. Worms stay longer, working beneath the mulch and mixing organic matter into the soil. Over time, this combo transforms compacted or sandy soil into rich, spongy earth. The peels lure worms in, and the mulch keeps them there, accelerating soil improvement. You'll see healthier plants and better harvests, all with minimal effort. This is nature's ultimate 1-2 punch for building living soil. How often should you use banana peels? For heavy feeders, add peels monthly during the growing season. For general beds, 2 or 3 times a season is enough. Use banana tea every couple of weeks for flowering and fruiting plants. Consistency is key. A little regularly goes a long way. Each time you add peels and mulch, you feed the soil life, building a thriving ecosystem of worms and microbes. Over time, your soil becomes darker, richer, and easier to work with. No chemicals needed. You're not just feeding plants, you're creating a self-sustaining system that supports healthy growth year after year. Save those banana peels. You hold the key to a vibrant, resilient garden. Subscribe to Nature's Fix for more tips and share this secret with a friend.